Hello everyone. We, the students of 8th grade, have explained the solutions for climate change on an individual as well as a global level.
What is climate change? It is a change in the average conditions like rainfall and temperature in a region over a long period of time. When climate change is observed on the entire earth and becomes a long term issue, it is referred to as global climatic change. Scientists have also observed these unusual changes recently on our earth. They include warming temperatures and changes in precipitation. They have had effects on Earth's warming, such as rising sea levels, shrinking and melting of mountain glaciers, ice melting at a faster rate than usual in snow covered areas like Greenland, Antarctica, and the Arctic, changes in the blooming times of flowers and plants.
Can climatic changes be stopped? It is the first question that comes in your mind when you learn that climatic changes are destroying humanity. Climatic changes are one of the most challenging problems that humanity had ever faced, and it is needed to be slowed, or it will destroy the whole humanity. Climatic changes can't be stopped but can be slowed, and for that, we have science and technologies. We can do a lot of things to stop climatic changes, like limiting the use of fossil fuels and replacing them with renewable sources of energy. But the main thing we have to do is we have to come up with our creative ideas and take the initiative to stop climatic changes.
Now comes the Green Sand Beaches project. If we take an abundantly available volcanic rock called olivine, grind it up and create green sand beaches, nature will take off the rest. Olivine sand breaks down from natural wave action at the beaches. As the olivine breaks down, CO2 is removed from the air and becomes bicarbonate, which is used by marine organisms in their shells and end up as limestone on the ocean floor. And the process also helps deacidity the ocean as we are using natural waves.
When we are talking about climate change and we don't include the problem of pollution caused by automobiles, the topic is incomplete. Pollution is a big problem to deal with. After cars, if an automobile causes the highest pollution, it's train. But for this, we have a solution. I am talking about the maglev trains or the bullet trains. We all know them. They are super fast and run on magnetic force. These trains are environment friendly if used with solar power or hydroelectricity. Maglev word is derived from two words, magnetic and levitation. This system uses two sets of magnets, one set to repel and to push the train off the track, and one set to move the elevated train ahead.
How can we reduce our carbon footprint? Carbon footprint refers to the amount of carbon dioxide in the air released to satisfy our own needs. We need energy in the form of heat, electricity, etc. to fulfill our needs such as transportation, clothing, among many others. A few ways through which we can reduce our carbon footprint have been listed on the screen. We should unplug any electronic gadget which is not in use. The appliances or gadgets which use up a lot of energy or power should be plugged into a surge protector or a power strip that has an on and off switch. Some power strips are available which glow to show how much power is being consumed, and they can be controlled from our iPhone or computer. For short distances, we must not use our car or our private vehicles. Instead, we should walk, ride our bike, or take help of a public transport.
How can I reduce my trash pile? You might have heard the phrase reuse, reduce, and recycle. It helps a lot to slow down climatic changes. We should recycle everything that we can. There are a lot of things that we can recycle, like food cans, cardboard, aluminum cans, things that are made up of paper, etc. This will help a lot to slow down climatic changes. We should don't waste paper. We should reduce, reuse and recycle paper. If we don't waste paper, we will save trees as we obtain paper from trees. We should buy a product that have less packaging material, or if it have more packaging material, we should recycle it. Apply, reuse, reduce and recycle to reduce your trash pile, and it will help in slower down of climatic changes.
If we help nature, would it help us back? Yes, we can all take notice to our environment. We can help to keep it magnificent for ourselves, our children, and grandchildren, and other things beside us. Some of the ways you can help may have to wait until you are a little older, like choosing an energy efficient car, installing solar panels on the roof of your house, or choosing a green carrier. If you grow some of your own food, you will also help to prevent CO2 from entering the air from the fossil fuel burning trucks, planes, and ships that transport your food to you from far away.